As part of efforts to improve traffic management and provide better protection for traffic personnel, a new traffic police booth was formally inaugurated at Laban Red Cross on the 15th of May 2025. The initiative was led by MLA of the 19th South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shulai. The booth, constructed at a cost of Rs 1.3 lakh under the discretionary grant, aims to offer shelter for traffic police officers, particularly during adverse weather conditions, and to facilitate smoother regulation of vehicular movement in the area. The inaugural event was inaugurated by key officials including Superintendent of Police Traffic Kamakhya Prasad, Additional SP Traffic MacJoel Marngar, and Laban Headman Edward Karwanlang, among others. In his address, Sanbor Shulai noted that the facility is expected to strengthen traffic safety and improve the commuting experience for residents and visitors alike.
And hand over this lock and key to Honorable SP, and from today onwards, it is your property, you can utilize it. Thank you. Thank you.
Additionally, the MLA inaugurated a new pay-and-use public toilet in Laban, constructed under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2023-24 at an estimated cost of Rs 5 lakh. The facility is part of the ongoing efforts to upgrade civic amenities in the locality.
Ini di sanitation inspector juga municipal basotun dengan ITFP, but dia penyihat kublisi hadaru ya kecing ya rapu jokin department mah. Finally, here in Laban is very different. Always 24/7, be it the door operational or the second phase thing, and the public of our Laban and Greater Laban area, we are giving our full cooperation with the police department or the traffic department to see that we should maintain peace and harmony in this area, and it is our collective responsibility, and I appeal to everyone. We will continue to strengthen our relationship, our cooperation, to see that in the future also we'll strengthen to strengthen, be it from the authority of the Dorparsnong, Second Haising Samla, the authority of the police department, the authority of the various government mechanism will work hand in hand to maintain always peace, harmony in this beautiful area of Greater Laban area. Thank you, Kublai Shibun. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police traffic department and for the interest of the general public.